Do you wanna develop your American accent, and do you want to speak the English language and pronounce every word, every sentence, every stories, anyhow, anywhere, with any whom, with the American accent? Then guys, don't worry. Today I have come here in this brand new video with a very easiest and also very quick method to learn the American accent. Yes guys, you listen right, I am also telling you the truth, and this topic is the license. Yes guys, the license are the easiest and the very important topic and method to learn the American accent. It is a quite difficult, but guys, I am gonna explain what is the lesson, why it gonna be helpful for us, why the American and how the Americans they use in their speaking, and how to learn and how to develop your American accent by the lesson. And guys, in this section of lesson there are 3 rules that you have to follow. Don't worry, I am gonna understand you all of the rules A to Z with lots of explanation. So guys, let's go, let's find out the key of the lesson, and I think that the lesson is the key of the American accent. If you can open the log with the lesson, means with the key, then the American accent will come in front of you. So guys, let's go to our video and let's hit it. Guys, now I am gonna talk about the basics of the lesson. Yes, means what is the lesson, how it works, and why the American people, means the Americans, they use the lesson in their speaking. So guys, just remember one thing, that lesson means the joining words, means linking words. Okay, when you will join the 2 words together, then the process of the joining 2 words together, it is called the lesson. Okay, what is called the lesson? I will repeat it again, try to capture it, otherwise you can't understand. That joining, when we join the 2 words or 3 words together, then the joining process, means the process of joining is the lesson. That's why guys, the American people, they join the 2 or 3 words, their words is together. If you were thinking that you know the American accent and the American people, they speak the English language fluently, and that's why their accent and our accent is very different, then guys, you are wrong. I want to clear with everyone that the American people, I mean the Americans, they don't just speak everything fluently. They join their words with one another, means they join 2 words together, and that's why we can't understand their pronunciation style, we can't understand the word they are saying, and then we just think that they are speaking it fluently, but no, it is wrong, and that's why we don't join the words.
Did you know they were coming to this party?
We just speak the words one by one, means word by word we try to speak, word by word. Means what is your name, what is your name, it is a normal Indian accent, what is your name. But the American people, they don't use what's your name, they just try to pronounce it what's your name, what's your name, what's your name. Means what's your, it's what's your name. So I think that I could understand you the lesson. What is the lesson? The process of joining 2 words together, it's called the lesson. But guys, don't think that means joining words is the lesson, that's why we can join any words together and then we also will be able to speak English. No, you are wrong. The Americans also, they follow some rules to join some words together. So guys, the rules I am gonna explain to you. So just remember and try to understand those rules, because without the rules, lesson is nothing. Lesson have 3 rules and you have to follow those rules strictly. And now guys, I am gonna talk about the first rule of the license. Yes, of the lesson. So this rule is very, very important for you speaking any words, any sentence, any story in American accent. Just listen it very, very carefully. It is that whenever you will see the 2 words that ends with T and starts with Y, then you have to join the two words together by the ch sound. What sound? Ch sound. Okay, did you understand? I will repeat it again. Try to understand it and try to capture it. That whenever you will see the two words that ends with T and starts with Y, then you have to join them with the ch sound. What sound? Ch sound. I know that you didn't get it. Now I am gonna give you a small example that here you can see. There is a sentence that can't you do it? Can't you do it? Here you can see can't you do it. It is a normal Indian accent, can't you do it? But the American people, they don't pronounce can't you do it. They always try to pronounce it can't you do it? Can't you do it? Chew. You can hear the sound chew means ch. Can't you do it? Can't you do it? Can't you do it? Can't you do it? And that's why their accent is not similar with our accent. The question is that why? Why this sentence and the Americans, they pronounce can't you do it? Can't you do it? Can't you do it? So if you guys focus in the sentence can't you do it, then you can find out the T at the last of the first word, means can't, C-A-N-T. You can see the T at the last, and then in the another hand at the second word you can see the Y at the first, and that's why the can't and you means the T and the Y, they just combine together, and that's why the American people, they sound ch sound, and by the ch sound they link the can't and the you sound together. And I think guys it's clear, and you also understand perfectly why they pronounce can't you do it in the place of can't you do it. So guys, it is the lesson. It is the first rule of the lesson. So guys, we learn from it that whenever you will see the T and the Y together, just try to combine it by the sound ch, and that's why can't you, you can hear the ch sound, a simple ch sound at the middle of the can and you, can't you. It is the joining part. If you can master it, then American native speaker also will think that whoa, he's Indian or in another country's people, and now he can speak like a native speaker. So guys, it is the first rule. And now let's talk about some example of the first rule. Here you can see there are some examples that I want to tell to you. Those examples can help you to understand the first rule of lesson very clearly and perfectly also. Because guys, the first one you can see, we say that would not you. In Indian accent we say would not you, but in the American accent, means the Americans, they just try to pronounce it wouldn't you, would not you, wouldn't you. You can see, and you can see that there is the T in the last of the would not, and then there is the Y at the last of the, means at the first of the you. I also just confused that wouldn't you, and then at the next sentence also you can see we say that have not you, right? Have not you in the Indian accent. It has more fun. Then you have to pronounce it hadn't you do it, hadn't you, and then at the second also very interesting, and it is also one of my favorite, that I'll let you know. We say that I'll let you know by go. But in the American people, means the Americans, they pronounce it that I'll let you know, means I will let you becomes the letter. I'll let you know means the ch sound. I'll let you know. Now go, I'll let you know. And then my last example is also very interesting and also very helpful. It is that can I get you a drink? We say to anyone, to our relatives, that can I get you a drink? Can I get you a drink? But the American people, they try to pronounce it, can I get you a drink? Can I get you? It's not get you, it's get you, get you. Can I get you a drink? Can I get you a drink? So it was the examples. You can take a screenshot of it because it is very important. Otherwise, you will forget it. And now let's run to our second rule of license. And now it is the time for the next and the second rule of liaison. This rule also like the first one, but the alphabets are just changed and their sound. This is that whenever you see the D and the Y together, then you have to join them by just one sound. It is J sound. Yes guys, J sound. D plus Y is equals to J. Means whenever you will see the two words or the two alphabet together, D and Y, then just join them by the J sound only. It is very simple to do. Okay, like here you can see a very beautiful and also simple example that did you see it? We Indians, how we pronounce it, like did you see it? Did you see it? But the American people, they pronounce it by pronouncing Diza seed. Diza seed means it is not did you, it is Diza. Diza means Diza seed. Diza seed. Guys, you can observe that there is the D at the last of the did, and there is the Y at the first of the U. That's why the D and the Y of did and U, they just combine, means they join, and they become the sound. Diza seed. And now I'm gonna show you some simple examples of the second rule. You can see guys, there are some examples of the sound. Like you can see the first one is also my favorite, that could you tell, could you tell, could you tell, could you tell. Hey, could you tell? We say that could you tell. The American people, they always pronounce it like could you tell, could you tell. You can see the D at the last of the could and then the Y at the first of the U. That's why they combine and they sound like the. Could you tell, could you tell. And then the second also is very interesting, that how's like it. We say that did you like it? How did you like it? How did you like it? Indian accent. But the American people, Americans, they always pronounce it like how's like it? How's like it? And then my third is also very interesting. How's the family thing? How did your family think? How's the family think? How did your family think? How's the family think? And then the last one is also very interesting, that did you find your keys? Did you find your keys? We say that did you find your keys, but the Americans say that Diza finds your keys. Diza finds your keys. Diza finds your keys. So guys, it was the examples of the Z sound, and I think that the second rule also cleared for everyone. And now it is the time for the next and the last one. The third rule of the lesson also like the both two. It is that whenever you will see the S with the Y, and then what you will pronounce, you are gonna pronounce it sh. Yes guys, I'll repeat it again, try to understand. Whenever you will see the S with the Y, means any two words, whenever you will see the S at the last and the Y at the first, then just join them. You don't have to do a long work or don't have to force yourself. Just join them, and by joining, pronounce the sound or just sound it like sh. How to join it? By the sound sh, and then you are gonna speak like American. Yes guys, here you can see a beautiful example like yes you are. What do we say? Yes you are. But the American people, they don't do the mistake. They just combine the S of the yes and the Y of the U. Yes you becomes the yes sure. Yes sure. Yes you are. Yes you are. Yes you are. Yes you are. Yes, you were the person. So guys, remember this thing. And now let's read some examples of this. So now, as you can see, there are two very important examples are there. They can help you to understand the sh sound very clearly. So my first example is, we say that press your hands together. Press your hands together, but it is the wrong way to pronounce in the American accent. Try to pronounce it, press your hands together. Press your hands together. Pressure hands together means pressure. You can feel and you can hear the sh sound. Pressure hands together. And then my last example, also very interesting. It is, can you dress yourself? Means, can you wear the dress yourself? I just explained you. So can you dress yourself? Can you dress yourself? But you have to pronounce here, can I dress yourself? 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 Like you can see the sh means can I dress you? Can I dress you? Can I dress you? Can I dress yourself? So guys, it was the sh sound. It was the examples of the sh sound, and I think your everything is clear. And it was the three rules of the lesson, and I think that I could explain you in a great way and you also understand it. Thanks for watching this video till the end, and I want to say to everyone that if you learned something also from the video, if you learned some things also away from this video, then guys, please subscribe it, hit the bell icon and like this video. Remember, license just use in your speaking, in the sentences, in the words, then you can see the benefits automatically. You don't have to pressurize yourself, just use them. You are gonna see the benefits automatically. Thank you for watching.